Hey guys, what's up? Kirby Smith here. I'm gonna do a quick screen share and jump right into our training. Trying to get this out in the next 15 minutes, so I give you guys a few extra minutes. Unfortunately, we got our word out on this training a little bit last minute, so we don't have anybody attending, but I definitely wanted to get you guys the information that we were discussing. There's going to be two topics today. Topic number one is going to be how to get your team actually onboarded with your YouTube channel. And so that's going to be really important because we want you guys making more money, right? One of the ways to do that is going to be to have your team using YouTube as a platform where they can save roof inspections, they can save during progress construction, they can actually save videos that are going to be customer testimonials. So those are the three most important. It's going to be inspections, progress constructions, and testimonials saved into your YouTube channel. I'm going to jump into ours to kind of show you guys a finished, or what we think of as a finished product here. This is Lightspeed Construction, my roofing company in Knoxville, Tennessee. So jumping in on videos, and it's just a quick way to sort of manage our videos. These are going to be all the way from inspections, like I said, to customer testimonials. I've got playlists. These playlists are very, very easy to create. You're going to go into your manage or customize channel buttons, really easy. You're just going to manipulate playlists, right? So we've actually got aerial roof inspections, a brand here, cheap roof or expensive that we had. Customer testimonials, we've got 54 of those, you can see. So we've got different channels for different needs, right? Videos, these are going to be our live videos. And this is a good way to be checking on your guys, making sure that they're actually pulling when you send them out on a project. Are they actually pulling that roof inspection video and sending that out to that customers? This is me yesterday and today, and I'm actually making comments on a project that we're bidding, and I wanted to try and differentiate myself a little bit. So real quick, and on these, it doesn't make a difference if nobody looks at them. All you want is your customers to be looking at them and occasionally sharing them with their friends and referral partners, right? So, and I'm logged into Lead Symphony. I'm gonna do a quick share on how to add videos to YouTube videos to stories and to web pages that you're creating for your customers. So part number two is gonna be how to get your team, excuse me, part number one is gonna be how to get your team onboarded to YouTube. And then part number two is how to share those videos onto your website using Lead Symphony. Okay, cool. So part number one, again, I'm actually going to drop this in the email that we're sending out to you guys. This is support.google.com. YouTube in the last 18 months has come out with a feature where you can add users to your account that are not actually having permissions in your account, let me rephrase that. They're going to be getting user permissions, but they're not going to have access to your password, right? I still suggest on your company, and this should be on your company Gmail, your company email account for your YouTube. So this is going to be how you get your team set up to use your YouTube channel right here. And it takes you pretty much step by step, real easy to do. And this will be, like I said, right there. On setting up your YouTube channel, going back to this, you're pretty straightforward, right? You've got customized channel here. You've got managed videos. Those are going to be two of your primary tools. You can use those on your phone and your devices or on your computers as well. Again, setting up your playlist, dropping a thumbnail is as easy as hovering over it and then dropping a background picture. We've had these up here for a nice long time. I'm trying to think of what else on setting up your YouTube account. So it's going to be the YouTube or Gmail that's associated with your company. It's going to be the one that you're going to be adding for your YouTube account. And those are going to be, that instruction should be for the guys who have never set up YouTube, right? So get your YouTube set up, get your guys onboarded with these instructions right here. Start adding those inspection, then during progress construction videos and the customer testimonies, the three most powerful that we've seen. I've got some more mentions as well on that if you guys want to hit me up for training question. All right, so this is my construction website. And I really appreciate you guys going through this. I'm trying to knock it out in about 15 minutes. I'm going to jump back in. So Lightspeed Construction, here's where Lead Symphony lives on my page, right? You got view all jobs, right? And this is all the projects that we've added to Lead Symphony. my account information's hit loginable, and I actually log in typically through my my cell phone, my device and site. I'm at my office at my computer here, so this is a little bit different. So this is a inspection that I performed earlier today, and I've not created a story on this, but
hey guys, what's up? Kirby Smith, Lightspeed Construction, coming to you here from, where is it?
And one of the cool things is that whether you're meeting your customers live or you're meeting them virtually, folks will stop and watch these videos. Have that iPad out, have it ready to flip around and show them what it is that you're seeing on the roof. And if you're meeting them virtually, this is the point where you get to relax as a salesperson. I like to close deals virtually, but I want to be able to relax and just kind of sit back and let the action come to me, pause at any moment. But I'm gonna play this, you know, as I'm scrolling through, and this isn't the story, right? But let's take a look at this one. One of my guys created this. Right, so we've got a photo here. Cool. Got some sort of issue going on. We can walk all the customers' information through this, right? This is great. Good looking story right here. So what I want to do on this is add a video on this inspection. Even though this is not the right web page, I've not created the page yet for that customer. I'm going to go back and I'm going to click edit cover. And as you can see, there's 3 existing pins. I want to see if the video that I'm going to add is going to work. And it doesn't look like it's really going to make a difference where I drop it, but I can drop it here by clicking this and hit edit. And then jumping in at the bottom, I'm going to go back and hit the share button and YouTube, copy, right? Share, copy from YouTube. And you can do this from your handheld just as easily. I'm gonna click over here kind of towards the left edge of this image. I don't know if you can see my mouse, but I'm gonna click, hit enter, and then I'm gonna Control V, copy and paste. Now I need to do this twice, or I need to go manipulate it twice, because the first time, and this is a deal with whatchamacallit, WordPress. First time it's just gonna drop the URL. The second time, if you hit edit and then save, you'll actually get your thumbnail. Let's go down and see if I'm right. So you can see my thumbnail here. Let's try that once more with a video on a brand spanking new pin. So I don't know if you guys saw that. I'm gonna delete this pin. I'm actually just click anywhere with my mouse and it pulls up this yellow button that's one of our pins, and then I'm gonna go edit, right? A lot of times I'm gonna name this video of roof inspection. And again, I'm gonna paste it, Control V, save changes. And if you look at it, it just shows up with the URL. WordPress thing, don't blame us. I'm gonna edit and save, and it pulls up the thumbnail, right? So that is how you actually, it's as simple as that to get your video onto your page itself. You want to hit the edit cover button. That's going to be top right. And I'm going to cover at this point where I can add pins. Clicking in this cover anywhere to add a pin is that easy, right? Hit the edit button. You can do all this from your device. Edit, then copy paste your video, and that's it. We'll go ahead and delete these other couple of pins I just created. Guys, we would love to see you on one of our trainings in May. Join us for a training this month, and we're going to include a free laser pointer. A couple of quick notes on laser pointers. Always keep them in your pockets. Don't be afraid to hand them over to your customers, and it will make you more money, make you sell. Mine's in my pocket right this second, right? This is my laser pointer right here. So I am able to get this to my customer and show them issues from the ground, exactly where they need to be seen at. I believe I got you guys out of here in less than 15 minutes. Wish there was a little bit of Q&A. We'll try and get out the word here early next week. I'm gonna show you how you delete the video that I just added, because this is not my story. It's that fast. Hit save change. And there you go, video no longer there. And that's it. Simple as that. It's a pretty good looking story Victor did. I like this, except for that image is upside down. So anyway, guys, this is Kirby Smith with Lead Symphony. And as you can see, Lightspeed Construction saying, I very much appreciate you guys taking a look at my stuff, and hopefully this is something that can help you guys crush it out there in the field. Have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1. Join us in May and get a free laser pointer. Later, guys.